Ever pondered on the secret to making money daily? Well, you're about to uncover some insightful strategies that could potentially change your financial perspective. First, you need to understand the concept of a money-making mindset. It's not just about wanting to make money, it's about cultivating a mindset that seeks out opportunities, is willing to take calculated risks, and doesn't shy away from hard work. If you're looking for easy money without any effort, this might not be the path for you. But if you're willing to put in the work, the rewards can be substantial. Step 1. Identify your skills. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? These questions are crucial in determining where your potential income streams could be. If you're a whiz at graphic design, for instance, you could offer your services to businesses. If you have a knack for writing, freelance content creation could be your ticket to daily income. Step 2. Research your market. Once you've identified your skills, it's time to find out who needs them. What industries are in demand? What are the trends in your chosen field? Knowing this allows you to position yourself effectively and attract the right clients. Step 3. Build a strong portfolio. This is your evidence of expertise. It's what convinces potential clients or employers that you're the right person for the job. Make sure it showcases your best work and reflects your unique style and approach. Step 4. Market yourself. Now that you have a solid portfolio, it's time to get the word out. Social media, professional networking sites, and word-of-mouth referrals are all effective ways to market your services and attract clients. Step 5. Deliver exceptional service. This is the key to ensuring that your clients come back for more. Always strive to exceed expectations and provide value beyond what's expected. This not only guarantees repeat business, but also encourages referrals, which can significantly increase your income. Step 6. Diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, find multiple ways to make money. This could mean offering different services, investing in stocks, or even starting a side business. The more income streams you have, the more financially secure you'll be. In summary, making money daily involves cultivating a money-making mindset, identifying your skills, researching your market, building a strong portfolio, marketing yourself, delivering exceptional service, and diversifying your income streams. It's not an overnight process, but with persistence, dedication, and a little bit of creativity, it's absolutely achievable. Remember, the journey to daily income is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires strategic planning, continuous learning, and relentless execution. But with each step forward, you're building a financially secure future that's not only rewarding, but also incredibly fulfilling. So gear up, take the leap, and start your journey to making money daily today.